So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to wrap an image here in Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do, just so you guys can see a good example here, I'm just going to go ahead and just type in wrap image just like that to have some text within my document. Next thing you have to do obviously is go to the insert bar at the top left, press an insert, press on pictures, and then select a photo to add it to your document. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to go ahead here and select a picture of an animal. And also like this animal right here of what appears to be a tiger or a cheetah or whatever. Now, if you were to go ahead and move this photo, it's not wrapped. But if you want to wrap it, it's fairly straightforward. Press on the image right here. Go to this top bar to where it says wrap text. Press on the drop down. So by default, it actually is in line with text here. But if you wanted to maybe make it tight, for instance, you can go ahead and press on tight. So if you were to move it, it actually will move the letter or the words as well. If you were to make it a little smaller, you can then move the picture to wherever you want. So you can move the photo right here, for instance, make it a little bit higher, just like that, and it won't actually interfere with the text whatsoever. So pretty straightforward, pretty simple. This is how to wrap an image here in a document on Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.